Hi lovely queens, today I have an exciting recipe for our hair. We are about to make a DIY natural homemade African black soap shampoo with rice water and shea butter. Imagine how creamy and moisturizing that will be for our hair. Yay! Yani, this year we are not playing with this hair, sis. This video was inspired by Nesvilla Glam while I was watching her video on 5 ingredients that must be in your black soap. I'll link that video in the description down below. I'll show you how to do it with shea butter and rice water, 2 of the ingredients she mentioned, and I promise to review it as the video progresses. With that said, let's get into the video. You'll need raw black soap and make sure to cut it into smaller pieces so that it dissolves faster. You'll also need shea butter, and note that the amount is subject to your hair and how much product you want to make. Last but not least, you'll need rice water that has been kept for a few hours. The water, people, not the rice. The longer you keep it, the better. I also poured in just a little warm water to help break down the black soap faster. In like 2 hours, the black soap pieces had all dissolved. As you can see, I have my easy to use tip bottle with black soap, rice water and shea butter goodness. How do YouTubers do this while they look so sexy in the shower? Why, for me, it was a struggle filming this and somewhat trying to look presentable on camera. At some point in the video, I think I almost drowned trying to look cute. Don't try this at home. I will make sure to write in the description box the benefits of black soap, rice water and shea butter. So don't be in a hurry to leave the video. Read the description box to learn more. Get it in there. And by the way, I realized my bottle tip had a really small hole, thus I couldn't get as much product out, yet the shampoo was still quite lathering. Don't be like Amanda, make sure your product is getting out of the bottle. I wash my hair in sections so that I don't add more tangles to it after taking hours detangling it out of the shower. Don't use too much shea butter because some gets left on your hair even after rinsing. It's part of the moisturizing element of this shampoo. So if you use a lot of it, a lot will remain on your hair. Oh yeah, and don't make it too liquidy if you don't want to. Mine was a runny consistency because that's how I wanted it. If you go a bit overboard with the rice water and you wanted a thicker consistency, just add a pinch of salt and let it sit. It will thicken once more. With that said, it didn't dry out my hair at all, and my hair gets dry very quickly. I shot this video a few weeks ago and I'm still using this shampoo on my hair. That's all for our amazing shampoo. If there are other videos you'd love for me to make about hair, do leave them down in the comment section below. I love you, I appreciate you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.